How to fix invalid request parameters or invalid problem connecting Instagram to TikTok profile. So if you're facing this problem, then this issue is caused by recent changes to Instagram's basic display API. So Instagram made some adjustments to how their API works. As a result, the third-party apps like TikTok may no longer connect properly without updates from their developers. You'll see errors like request parameters are invalid or invalid scope user profile. Unfortunately, this isn't something you can fix on your own, but you can report it and help resolve it faster. You need to just open up your TikTok application, and after that go with the profile page. Go with profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the upper right, which has that 3 bar, and tap on settings and privacy. So tap on report a problem or TikTok support, and after that you need to scroll down again and tap on chat with us, or just simply go with report. You will have report a problem. You can just simply go with it and it will take you to the feedback page or report page, and you need to fill out the report form. Select a category related to Instagram connection issues and provide the detailed information, including the exact error message like request parameters are invalid. You can also add a screenshot of the error message and you can submit your report. TikTok team will review your issue and work on updating their connection to comply with Instagram's API changes. Or if it takes you to the TikTok help desk, then you can just simply chat live with the TikTok help desk and your problem will be resolved. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.